Hey guys, yeah, we have this PS4 here that has a power supply issue. You'll see when I press the power button, it just beeps, but no blue light at all. See, there is nothing there at all. It just beeps and nothing. So let's open it up and sort it out quick. Okay, number one thing, we need to drain this these caps for safety, of course. Okay, it shall be done. What am I doing now? Okay, we'll remove this. I don't know what they are, capacitors or what. I don't know what they are called, so call it capacitor or something else. I just comment. Okay, so let's grab from this power supply here. Okay, got them in place. Let's test. If that doesn't work, this chip has to go. Okay, now we're gonna get a spin there. There we go. So, guys, that's it. We have a working power supply now. And then can hear it's got a bell laser too. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.